Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to dive into a common issue that many Android users face: Lsposed not working on Android 14 or 15 Beta 4. If you're using an older version of Lsposed and suddenly find that your modules are not activating, this video is for you. Before we get started, let's make sure you have the necessary prerequisites. You'll need to have root access on your Android device. If you're already experiencing issues, it's assumed that you have Lsposed installed. Download the latest version of Lsposed from video description. Open your preferred root manager app, such as Magisk Manager or Kernel Su, locate the downloaded Lsposed mod file and tap on it to install it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Once the installation is finished, restart your device. After the reboot, open Lsposed and check if your modules are now activated. If everything is working correctly, you should be able to use your Lsposed modules without any issues. Regularly check for updates to Lsposed and your modules. Developers often release updates to address compatibility issues and improve performance. If you're still encountering problems, visit online forums or communities dedicated to Lsposed. You might find solutions or helpful advice from other users. Remember that Android 14 and 15 Beta 4 are still in development. There might be occasional bugs or compatibility issues. Keep this in mind when using Lsposed. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully fix Lsposed and get your modules working again on Android 14 or 15 Beta 4. If you have any further questions or encounter specific issues, feel free to leave a comment below.